In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add group on ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and a few best practices to keep things organized for your workspace. First, start from your workspace overview. This is the home base for your current team space and makes navigation easier. If you're not seeing it, use the left sidebar to switch to the correct team space and open its overview. Having the right space selected ensures the settings you're about to change apply to the place you actually work. Next, open Settings. Depending on your layout and permissions, the Settings option may appear as a gear icon in the sidebar or near the bottom left of your screen. If you don't see it, you might not have the right permissions and will need an admin to grant access. Once you're in the central place for workspace level configuration. From Settings, go to the Teams section. In ClickUp, a group is managed as a team. This page is where you create and manage groups of people who need shared access to spaces, tasks, and permissions. It's also where you can review existing teams to avoid creating duplicates. If your organization already has a naming convention, such as department or location or project or function, stick to it so teammates can quickly find what they need. Now select Create a Team. You'll be prompted to give your team a clear descriptive name. Think about how it will appear alongside other teams. Shorter is better, but make it specific enough to be understood a month from now. If the option is available to add members during creation, you can assign people right away. If you're unsure, skip adding members for now and keep the team empty until you confirm who should be included. That way you don't accidentally grant access too broadly. Some workspaces also offer privacy or default permissions here. Choose the most restrictive option you need and loosen it later if required. After creating your team, go back to the Teams view to confirm it appears in the list. This is a quick way to verify the group was created successfully and that the name looks correct. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page or use the search bar. From here, you can revisit the team to adjust its name, add or remove members, and fine-tune any permissions your plan supports. That's it. Start in Workspace Overview, open Settings, head to Teams, create the team, and then review it in the Teams list. Follow these tips and your groups in ClickUp will stay clean, consistent, and easy for everyone to use.